Ingredients of the Master Cleanse recipe. What goes into it? The lemonade diet, more popularly known as the Master Cleanse, has been in use since the past 50 years. Stanley Burroughs was the one who created this diet, and famous celebrities like Beyoncé lost around 20 pounds of weight after following this detoxification diet. One can understand from the name itself that one of the key ingredients is lemon. The others are as follows: 1.2 tablespoons of natural lime juice, approximate 1/2 lime. Kindly make a note that the lime juice has to be freshly extracted and not canned. It is suggested to make use of the organic lemons, as the purpose of detoxification will not be met if they contain the pesticides that are sprayed on them, and these would enter the body in the form of toxins. 2.2 tablespoons grade B Real maple syrup. Please do not use the sugar syrup that is present on the breakfast table. 3.1 out of 10 red pepper or cayenne pepper. This helps to enhance the flow of blood. Good blood flow will help in expelling waste material from the body. 4 lukewarm water. But if strictly preferred, one can use cold water. 2 ingredients that are optional: sea salts. They act as laxatives and help in eliminating the waste from the body. They hasten or flush the system fast. But a few people are really unable to consume the sea salt, as they feel it is a bit of too much for them to tackle it. Yet another alternative could be the usage of herbal tea that acts as a laxative. Make note that one should make use of only the decaffeinated teas, because caffeine will hamper the flow of blood. 1 should consume at least 60 ounces of lime juice in a single day and should not have anything else. This is the reason why many people are unable to finish the Master Cleanse successfully. But as for those people who have successfully finished the program, they have gained a lot of health benefits, and one of the side effects is weight loss.